guys, thanks for tuning in. So for this season, Brayden really wanted to change up the look of his Legacy a little bit. He just wasn't sure which direction he wanted to go with it. So he ended up going with both. And so, gotta say, he's not the only one that's excited to get these things on the car. So that's gonna be a fun job for today.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight. Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight. Cast me far away, play these little games, acting all okay, today. Cast me far away, play these little games, acting all okay, today. Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight.